Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 1st May. And first of all, national news. Worse than government department, Delhi High Court pulled UP Meta. In NDA's manifesto for Andhra Assembly polls 1,500 pension for women. AstraZeneca admitted Covishield, ZAB, has rare side effect. India has conveyed to Germany its desire to safeguard the child's cultural and national identity. Navy should be operationally ready to deter adversaries, new chief. Adani Ports and SEZ got AAA rating, India's first in private infra development space. Indian Ocean likely to see near permanent heat wave, a study said. At 43 degrees, Kolkata recorded highest temperature in 50 years. Weather Office. Above normal monsoon rainfall predicted in South Asia, a report said. India recorded 79 million cyber attacks in 2023, ranks third globally, a report said. Now, international news. Rafah offensive will happen with or without Gaza truce deal, Netanyahu. Working closely with India to find solution, German diplomat on Baby Ariha case. Thousands of passengers stranded as Australian airline Bonza abruptly cancelled all flights. Indonesia volcano erupted, thousands evacuated over tsunami threat. Ubair shuts down all operations across Pakistan, a report said. Trump is the first former US president to face criminal charges. And now some sports news. Lucknow Super Giants took on Mumbai Indians in their IPL 2024 match on Tuesday. KKR Pacers suspended for one match after IPL game against DC. KL Rahul out, two big names sent to reserve, surprised in India's T20 World Cup squad. Now, business related news. Adani Total Gas Limited posted a 71.6% rise in its consolidated net profit for the fourth quarter of financial year 24. Gender budget estimated up 38.6% in 2024 to 25 over last year's. Adani Ports and SEZ got AAA rating, India's first in private infra development space. Science related news. World's chocolate supply under threat from rapidly spreading virus, a study found. 99 million-year-old Amber offered rare glimpse of dinosaur era. And that's all in news. Thank you.